Okay, so in this video, we're just reviewing numbers 1, 2, and 3 of the exponential and logarithmic functions test review. These first few are just asking you whether the function, the exponential function, represents growth or decay. Growth or decay is dependent upon the b value. So if we consider the parent function f of x equals b to the x, or y equals b to the x. Now sometimes you see y, you'll see a times b to the x, okay? But the b value determines the growth factor. So what we need to know about the b value, if the b value is greater than 1, then we have growth. If the b value, if it's greater than 0 but less than 1, so if it's like a fraction or a decimal, then that's when we have decay. So if we just simply take a look at these, in number 1, the b value is 2/3. Well, that's less than 1, so we know that we have decay. If we look at number 2, the growth factor is a fraction of 6/5, but that's an improper fraction because 5 goes into 6 a whole time. So it's like 1 1/5. Well, that's greater than 1, so we know that that's actually going to be growth. And then in number 3, the b value is 3/4. Well, that's less than 1. It's like 0.75 or 75 cents. That's less than 1, so we know that we have decay.